The UAE Minister of Economy has stated that he expects GDP growth to reach 3.5% to 4% this year, boosted by higher oil prices and infrastructure projects underway ahead of Expo 2020. His Excellency Sultan Al Mansouri made the remarks while attending the Jordan UAE Investment Conference in Abu Dhabi today, reiterating that the ministry is very optimistic about the projections for the UAE economy. Last year, the economy grew at a rate of about 3.7%. Al Mansouri added that the UAE economy has always held its own since 2008, having witnessed sustained positive economic growth that's ranged from 3.5% to 4%. The IMF in October projected growth for the country of 2.3% for 2016 and 2.5% for 2017. Before 2015, the economy had been growing at more than 4% for several years amid high oil prices. This follows on from the latest results of February's Purchasing Managers Index survey, which showed that optimism in the non-oil business sector is at a high of almost a year and a half, while non-oil private sector activity picked up last month. Dubai Airport Freezone Authority has revealed that its profits surged last year, although revenue growth slowed. DIFC posted a 2% growth in its total revenue, down from 7% the previous year. The company said it achieved a 16% net profit growth, but did not disclose year-over-year figures for profits. The Free Zone's total assets rose 28% compared with only 3% in 2015. This was partly due to the increase in infrastructure, with 40% of the DIFC Square project completed last year. While the company reported an increase of 44% in multinational companies occupying space, the share of European and American firms dropped by 1%. The Free Zone is planning to launch its Strategic Plan 2017-2020 this year as part of its efforts to boost local economic growth. The zone currently covers more than 20 economic sectors and aims to increase the flow of foreign direct investment. The Dubai financial market has given the green light to a platform enabling the trading of locally based exchange-traded funds. ETFs are similar to mutual funds in that they track an asset or series of assets, including stocks, commodities and bonds, but differ in that they are listed on stock exchanges and charge minimal fees. Their popularity has grown significantly around the world in recent years as a cost-efficient alternative to mutual funds, with assets in global ETFs passing $3 trillion last year. The DFM formally launched the new ETF platform at a ceremony on Sunday morning at the exchange after finalising regulations for the marketing and trading of the securities. Under the new regulations, trading in ETFs on the DFM is confined to market makers, authorised participants and liquidity providers. Regulations for the trading of ETFs were first approved by the UAE Securities and Commodities Authority in 2009, but were little used given the depressed state of UAE stocks at the time. And ActivTrades, which is a premier global regulated broker in London dealing in foreign exchange and contract for differences in the UK, has announced the opening of their new Dubai office at the Dubai International Financial Centre. ActivTrades, which is one of the fastest growing brokerages in the UK, will be operating on a licence by the Dubai Financial Services Authority, and while it begins its operations in the Middle East in 2012, serving local clients from London, company representatives revealed that Dubai will be their fourth global presence, having offices in Tokyo, London and New York. While stating that their presence in Dubai is significant, officials highlighted that Dubai will allow them access to various markets in the Middle East and also allow them to offer face-to-face solutions to their clients, which was not possible before. As about 80 to 90% of their clients are retail investors and 25% of them are from the UAE, including locals and expatriates. The London-based broker claimed that although more and more regional investors are looking to diversify their portfolios in the wake of the low oil prices, their business has only benefited from oil price fluctuations, as traders also aim to diversify their trading options. Apart from serving local clients, ActivTrade will also cater to the Middle East as well as wider Asian markets, including India and Pakistan. The London-based broker aims to offer products and services on its own platform, as well as the MetaTrader platforms, with access to trading currencies, commodities and CFDs, which are products that give clients exposure to indexes and shares.
ActivTrades has an immaculate client support. We're proud of our professionalism, and in addition to the wide range of asset classes that we provide for our clients, we really care about training them, following up with them, and make sure all their needs are covered. That's why we have a 24-hour support all day long. In addition to that, we do differentiate because we also have our own platforms, and we are the only broker, one of the only brokers, to have a private insurance, private client money insurance. So our client funds are protected by the regulator, but they're also protected by a private insurance that very, very few brokers have that.